How to delete AliExpress account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your AliExpress account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to delete your AliExpress account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is make sure to go ahead and launch the AliExpress application first, then log into your account. Then tap the account option from the bottom right here. Once you come to the account option, you're gonna see this type of interface here. Now at the very top right, you'll find a little gear icon, which is the settings icon. So just make sure to tap on that settings icon there. From here, what you have to do is at the very top, you'll find again an option known as profile. So make sure to tap on that profile option. Once you tap on profile, under it you'll find one of the options that says delete account. So all you have to do is to just tap on the delete account button here, and as you tap on the delete account option, you'll be able to take to a new page where you can verify your privacy details, and then from there on you'll be able to delete your AliExpress account. That's all it takes to delete your AliExpress account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.